What if the key to surviving long distance lies in something you've never considered? Let's dive in. Number 1. Constant communication. Ever wondered why communication is hailed as the pillar of long-distance relationships? It's because it bridges the gap, literally and emotionally. Regular check-ins via calls, texts, or video chats keep the connection alive. Set aside time daily to discuss your day, share your feelings, and even engage in fun activities like watching movies together. The goal is to make each other feel valued and involved in each other's lives. Remember, it's not about the quantity but the quality of your conversations. Meaningful interactions strengthen the bond, creating a sense of closeness despite the miles apart. So, make communication a ritual, not a chore. Number 2. Trust building. Is trust really the glue that holds a long-distance relationship together? Absolutely. Trust eliminates the anxieties that distance can breed. Openly discuss your fears, expectations, and boundaries. Transparency is crucial. Being honest about your daily life, friendships, and social activities builds confidence. Avoid jealousy by reassuring your partner of their importance and your commitment. Trust isn't built overnight but through consistent, trustworthy actions. Cultivating trust means less room for misunderstandings and more for love to flourish. Trust your partner and show them they can trust you, fostering a secure and loving relationship. Number 3. Planning visits. How can planning visits keep the excitement alive in a long-distance relationship? Anticipation. Knowing when you'll see each other next provides something to look forward to. Plan trips around holidays, special events, or just because. The excitement of counting down to these moments can strengthen your bond. While together, make every moment count by creating memories that sustain you until the next visit. Exploring new places, trying new activities, and simply being in each other's presence can rejuvenate your relationship. The promise of seeing each other soon keeps the connection vibrant and hopeful. Number 4. Setting goals. Why is setting goals essential for long-distance couples? It provides direction. Discuss your future together, both short-term and long-term. Setting goals like your next visit, career advancements, or eventually closing the distance gives your relationship a sense of purpose and direction. It's important to know that you're working towards something together, even when apart. These shared goals act as a beacon of hope, motivating both partners to stay committed and resilient. When you're aligned on your future, the distance feels less daunting and more like a temporary phase in your journey together. Number 5. Celebrating milestones. Ever thought about celebrating milestones as a way to stay connected? Celebrating anniversaries, birthdays, or any significant dates, even from afar, keeps the romance alive. Send thoughtful gifts, plan virtual dates, or surprise your partner with a handwritten letter. These gestures show your partner that you cherish the relationship and are thinking of them. Commemorating these moments strengthens your bond, reminding both of you why you're enduring the distance. It's about making the other person feel special and appreciated, reinforcing the love and commitment you share. Number 6. Stay positive. How does staying positive impact a long-distance relationship? Positivity can transform your outlook. Focus on the benefits of your situation. You have time to grow individually while nurturing your relationship. Maintain a hopeful attitude by visualizing your future together. Positive thinking reduces stress and helps you cope with challenges more effectively. Share your optimism with your partner to uplift each other. Encourage and support one another, celebrating the progress you're making. A positive mindset fosters resilience, making the relationship feel more manageable and the distance less overwhelming. Number 7. Shared activities. Can shared activities really bring you closer despite the miles? Absolutely. Engage in activities you both enjoy, even from a distance. Watch movies or TV shows simultaneously, play online games, or read the same book and discuss it. These shared experiences create a sense of normalcy and connection. They give you topics to talk about and activities to bond over. Creating routines and rituals that you both look forward to strengthens your relationship. Shared activities bridge the gap, making you feel closer and more involved in each other's lives. Number 8. Effective conflict resolution. How can resolving conflicts effectively strengthen your bond? Distance can amplify misunderstandings, so it's crucial to address issues promptly and constructively. Practice active listening and empathy, ensuring both partners feel heard and understood. Avoid blaming language and focus on finding solutions together. Schedule a calm time to discuss conflicts, avoiding heated exchanges. Remember, it's you and your partner against the problem, not against each other. Resolving conflicts amicably reinforces trust and respect, showing your commitment to making the relationship work, no matter the distance. Number 9. Maintaining independence. Why is maintaining independence beneficial in a long-distance relationship? Independence fosters growth. Encourage each other to pursue personal goals, hobbies, and friendships. It's essential to have a fulfilling life outside the relationship. This not only makes you happier but also brings fresh energy and experiences into your relationship. Independence reduces the pressure on the relationship to be the sole source of happiness. It also gives you more to share and discuss with your partner. A healthy balance of togetherness and independence keeps the relationship dynamic and robust. Number 10. Emotional support. How vital is emotional support in a long-distance relationship? Incredibly vital. Being each other's rock, especially during tough times, strengthens your bond. Show empathy, offer encouragement, and be a source of comfort. Regularly check in on each other's mental and emotional well-being. Celebrate each other's achievements and provide solace during hardships. Emotional support makes your partner feel valued and loved, fostering a deep connection. It's about being there for each other, even from afar, showing that distance doesn't diminish the love and support you share. Check out this playlist of the top 10 videos on relationship advice for women. And we'll see you in the next video. With love.